Hey guys, in this lecture, I'm going to show you how you can reduce the VideoScribe video file size without sacrificing the quality, so it'd be able to upload it on your website or YouTube channel easily. So here I have a Scribe project that I'm going to export. I'll choose the Full HD here and set the frame rate to 30. So now I have the exported file. Let's check its size. So here, as you can see, it is 384.2 megabytes. If I try to upload it on my YouTube channel, it will take ages. So I will use an excellent free tool called Handbrake. You'll find a link in the external resources where you can download this tool from. After installing and opening Handbrake on your computer, follow these steps in order to resize your video file without sacrificing the quality. Step 1. Import your VideoScribe video file from the resource here. Step 2. Define the destination, the folder in which you want to have your reduced video file to be saved in. Step 3. Make sure that the format is set to MP4 and check the Web Optimized checkbox here. Step 4. Make sure the video codec is set to H.264 and leave the frame rate same as source. Step 5. Set the quality to 20 RF by dragging this indicator head here. And finally, step 6. Click on the Start button to start encoding. Now it's done, and here we have the reduced file. If we checked out its size, we will see here it is 13.4 megabytes. The original one was 384.2 megabytes. Now if I try to upload the reduced file on my YouTube channel, you would see it is going faster. After uploading the file, if you checked the quality, you would see that we have the maximum quality option here, which is the Full HD. So this is how you can reduce the VideoScribe file size without sacrificing the quality using this excellent free tool, which is called Handbrake. I hope you found this lecture useful. Thank you for watching. In this lecture, I have put together all the resources that I myself tried out, and they really worked with me quite well. The results were so satisfying and made difference with my scribes, so I'd like to share them all with you. Starting with 7 tips and tricks that will make your scribe more powerful. They are the slow reveal, mixing hands, pens, and lines, erasing, morphing, moving in, using your own hands, and changing the paper. Then the next one is the secrets to ridiculously persuasive scribing. For example, like defining your unique selling point and calling your audience to action and so forth. Next, I have added a resource to 4 free tools if you want to create customized animated GIFs to use in your script. In order to take your scribe to a whole new level, then here are 9 free tools that works very well with VideoScribe to help you out in creating your own images or recording your voiceover or reducing your video size and more. Last, if you are a fan of Adobe Illustrator, then here is a resource to show you how to create your own custom SVG files to use in VideoScribe. You will find all of these in the external resources section. I hope they add a unique value to your scribes as much as they added to mine. Hey guys, in this lecture I have listed down some good fonts that you can import and use in VideoScribe videos creation. You can find these fonts available to download in the external resources. I hope you like them. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, in this lecture I'll show you the major updates that VideoScribe has added in its latest version 2.3.7 that has been released last February 2017. The first major update is that VideoScribe 2.3.7 is available in English and Spanish languages. There are 2 places from which you can change your language option. After opening VideoScribe, you will be taken to the login screen. Below the login box, you will see the language setting menu. You can choose between English and Spanish using the minus and plus spinners. As you can see here, the language of layout has changed. You can also change the language after logging in. After you have logged in, you will be able to change this option via the default settings menu in the bottom right-hand corner of the project screen. Open it. Then you will find the language option here. To implement the changes, make sure you press the tick button. Okay, the second major update in VideoScribe 2.3.7 is in the process of importing PNG or JPEG images. In the versions prior 2.3.7, after selecting the PNG or JPEG you want to import, you used to see a choice of 6 options for the way the hand will draw your image. Then you select the option you wish to use by clicking on it. This will add the image to the canvas. But now, in version 2.3.7, that no longer exists. Instead, you would get this screen with only 2 options, either reveal, which is the hand kind of like scratching the image on the canvas, or the sketch option, which is the hand drawing the image. In case you don't like the sketching option here, you still have the choice to convert your PNG or JPEG to SVG using Inkscape, as I showed you in this course. Okay, last major update is that the new hand option become easier to find in hand menu. This used to be a blank square in the prior versions. There are other updates that they have mentioned, like adding more new images to the library. Image libraries load faster now, and that you can open the base library projects with a double click. And that the autosaves should be working faster in this version. I hope you found this lecture useful. Thank you for watching. I'm so glad that you have reached the final stage in this course. Thank you so much for attending. I really appreciate if you could kindly please leave your feedback in the course reviews section to let others know about your experience with this course. Also, if you do have any questions, I will be right there to answer. Again, thank you so much and looking forward to seeing you in the upcoming courses. Good luck!